Okay, so we're on to our next appetizer here. So this is my crab dip, okay? And this is great with tortilla chips. If you have if you take bread and slice it real thin and basically put it in the oven and toast it, that works really good with this. Crackers, and even vegetables. It's going to be a nice hot dip. So what we're going to do is we're going to make this. We'll cook it in the pan and then we'll put it in a small crock pot. So that way it'll stay warm and people can just dip out some of it. So what I've got is 2 blocks. Yeah, this is the only thing I like from Philadelphia. Cream cheese. Don't like the Eagles, but I like the cream cheese. And I don't like the steak and cheeses either. So I've got 2 of these. Now it's helpful if you let it sit out for a little bit to soften up. Didn't do that, so it's okay. So we got the 2 blocks of cream cheese, and we have some artichoke hearts. And what we're going to do with those is we're going to open it up, drain it, and see, this is why one of the reasons that I love this kitchen is there's a lot of space to be able to work. And even though it's just me in here, it's nice to be able to just open up that can. Boom. There's the trash can with the recycling bin and the trash and the sink right behind me. So it's very advantageous. When I need a knife, boom, just like that. So you don't have to move around a lot. This is my work triangle, so to speak. So we're going to take our just plain artichoke hearts. And I do have artichoke hearts for our skewers that are actually marinated, but we don't want that for this. So we're just going to chop that up. And we're going to add that to our cream cheese. And I have some crab meat here. I'm going to add the crab meat to it. Boom. So we've got the crab, we've got the artichoke heart, and we got the cream cheese. But wait, there's more. You mean there's more to this? Yeah. We're just going to start blending this together. I'm going to put about a cup of Parmesan cheese in here. Now, what was interesting was I saw a video about the most fake foods in the world. And Parmesan cheese is one of the most faked foods in the world. That the real Parmesan cheese, to be really and truly Parmesan cheese, it has to come from Italy, from this certain town that makes all of the world's supply of it. What happens is you have a lot of counterfeiters out there that will make it shredded Parmesan, aged 10 months. This is not real. The real one actually gets aged 12 months. Yeah. So this is an American made since 1938. Anyway, we've got about a cup of that we're going to put in. Our imitation one. It's okay. We're going to put that in it. We're also going to end up putting in, I don't have much mayonnaise left in here. Jeez. About a 1/4 cup. That's about all that's left in this. Well, we'll finish that off at least. So it's kind of like another one of those foods that are counterfeited is wasabi. What we buy here in the store and think that it's real wasabi is actually not wasabi. It's actually horseradish. They're always trying to get a brother. Okay, so we got our mayonnaise. And sour cream. I'm going to put in about a 1/2 to 3/4 cup. There we go. And I'm going to take my wife's fork here and trying to blend this up together. It would have been a lot easier had I softened up the cream cheese, but it's crunch time. And what's going to happen now, you can make variants of this. You can put spinach in it, but I don't like the spinach so much with the crab. You can do this with the spinach and artichoke and eliminate the crab, and you're good to go. But I like crab.
I say $700 with Liberty Mutual. Crazy what you can get with those savings. Mix, match, or happy with game.
And then once you get this all done, then we're going to put Old Bay on it. Give it a little bit of a kick, and to make that seafood taste come out. But you're going to cook this at 350 in the oven until it starts to brown just a little bit at the top. And then I'll take that out and I'll put it in the warmer and we'll be good to go. Now you can make this ahead of time and put it in the fridge, and then about 30 minutes before you want to serve it, pop it in the oven. Still trying to get that cream cheese. There's a couple of chunks in there. You could use whipped cream cheese, but here's the secret on whipped cream cheese. When you whip it good. When you whip it, you're actually adding air to it. So what you're actually doing is you're filling more space with less product. Bet you didn't know that, did you? Okay. What you can do is just a little taste test. Oh yeah, just a little bit more Old Bay. You can taste the crab, the artichoke, the cheese in there. Oh my goodness. Okay, now got my glass container right here. And I'm going to put this in the fridge until we got an hour and a half before guests are supposed to start arriving. So I'll wait till about 2:15 or so to start warming this up. So that's ready to go. Actually. All right, there we go. And we will just sprinkle a little bit. There we go. Voila. And that just needs to be warmed up for about 30 minutes and it'll be good to go. All right, on to the next thing.